Alright, what is going on YouTube? So today's video we have the newest Coshare Superflow1 hair dryer. This is the newest company design and it has a new essence ring which is allowing you to be able to have a scented hair without putting any products into it, revitalizing it, having anti-frizz, smoother, shinier hair, feeling a lot more healthier. All that for 70 bucks. There is a coupon code and link in the description. This is sponsored, but overall I really do love this hair dryer, not gonna lie, and I'll show you why in this video, and I'll tell you my overall thoughts and opinions based off of it. It's able to self-clean. You can see the compactness of pretty much everything from the power supply to the actual design. It's lightweight, it's quickly able to clean, interchangeable with these essence rings, and let's show you the rest. I've been using the hair dryer for a couple weeks now, to be honest. You can see here it looks very sleek, modern. Basically it's not ugly, it's very lightweight. The power is actually smaller than a lot out there. It's like really tiny, look at this, and it's very quiet, so I could talk over and it'll be pretty much good. But the on and off switch right here. The top is to control the temperature and the bottom is the speed. Also, if you press and hold it for about 5 seconds, you can also reverse the current to push out any dust or hair that gets trapped. So as you can see, it's pushed up to the bottom and then it's easy to wipe off and clean. That's a game changer because most other hair dryers just get clogged with hair and then it burns and then it goes bad and doesn't it's not going to be as good as it was since day one. But now that this has a cleaning filter that you're able to regularly clean easily. By the way, there is a coupon in the description down below. I really recommend it if you guys decide to get this. It's a brand new company, brand new device. I like it so far and it's amazing. So turn it on here. So right now it's at the lowest mode. You could probably hear me still. It's not that loud, but the current on it is really good. I'm gonna actually go bring my measurements. Around 18 to 19 miles per hour on the lowest mode. 25 miles per hour on the second. You're seeing it get up to about 29 miles per hour at the highest mode possible. So it goes from about 20 to 25 and then 30 miles per hour, which is pretty good. So there's a lot of airflow. I hope to see more scents in the future, maybe some manly scents, because right now they just have I think a fresh apricot, or it's more of a girly scent, but it smells clean, which is nice. So for the girls out there, you get a clean scent. Eventually, I'm pretty sure they'll have more, but it magnetically attaches on the front and it's very strong. So it also has different modes right here. So warm is orange, red is hot, and then it'll cycle through cold and warm on that mode right there. Which is pretty cool, that it could cycle, but like, it dries your hair fast. I did a barber video and I drenched my hair basically when I needed to cut it, and then I just quickly brush it off. It's also good for barbers to get off like hair from the client's neck or just around them. Basically, it's easy and quick. So yeah, it does make your hair feel a lot better, and I could feel it already. I had two separate inputs. So I had my input from a guy's perspective and two girl inputs from my family members. So one of them had mixed feelings in the very beginning, but then they got used to it, or their hair got used to it, and it felt a lot better. And the second one, they said that it doesn't feel as dry. Yeah, as dry or nasty after because usually if you do a hair dryer, if you're using heat, it'll damage the hair and feel damaged and dried out. This doesn't make you feel dried out or damaged at all. It actually makes it revitalize it a lot better.